not in one day, because the ATR on PFE is somewhere around $1. It could take 2 to 3 days to go all the way down there, and it's not necessarily going to go all the way down there. But based on the reverse hammer is a weak candlestick, right? There is a huge wick around here. It's showing you some selling pressure, and I could tell that today is going to be a red day. That's why I'm short buying. Hey everyone, this is Ayman, and today we're back with a new video for the stock trading simulator series. I'm going to be talking about a trade I have executed today on PFE. Today we didn't have a lot of opportunities, at least for me. The stock selection was a little bit difficult. Some stocks gapped up a lot, some stocks already overextended, and I didn't find a lot of interesting stocks to watch. Some of the stocks that were on my watch list: CHPT to the long side, PFE to the short side, FUBO to the short side, and X to the long side. The one that I have actually executed and I'm still in is PFE. Now, why did I pick PFE to trade? First of all, you could see that PFE, there is a clear and a strong level around here from 25th of November, 31st of January, and 22nd of March, right? There is a break around here. It did break this level, and now this level is acting as a resistance, and it's coming back all the way up into this previous resistance. The move was strong, so honestly at the beginning I was long biased in it. You might remember that I played PFE to the long side on 29th of March, and I sent it on the weekly simulator practice with my thought process as for why I wanted to play this stock to the long side. Now, why did I want to play to the long side? You could see that there is a small channel around here between 49 and 45. The stock breaks this channel, goes all the way into the resistance. Now it's normal. Anyone who is swing trading this thing, anyone who is long at this particular day, they see this level. This level is really clear. And what will they be doing? Normally everyone will be taking profits. They'll be taking some partials around here. There will be some selling pressure around this level. The stock will pull back, and after the pullback we start forming a setup. What setup? It could be an ABCD pattern for a trend continuation. It could be a bull flag. I mean, in this case it's more of an ABCD pattern, looking less of a bull flag, but still it is a trend continuation setup. You could see that we're holding the 53 level, approximately 52.50, and we're starting to make new highs. So I expected that we're going to have some push and we're going to break this level finally and then go to the next highs somewhere around here. Instead, what's happening? We're making a double top. That faked. That breakout right there, it faked and it couldn't make new highs. Now we're having lower highs. Having lower highs doesn't mean anything as long as we do not have lower lows as well, right? It could just simply make a higher low, lower high, higher low, and form a setup which is called a pennant, right? Or a pattern that is called a pennant, and a pennant it can break up or break down. In this case, which is 31st of March, you could see that it broke low, and now we're having lower high and lower low. So the stock is starting to drop down. Clearly this level was of a strong resistance, and we might regain the downtrend, or we might go back to $49 levels. Not in one day, because the ATR on PFE is somewhere around $1. It could take 2 to 3 days to go all the way down there, and it's not necessarily going to go all the way down there. But based on the reverse hammer is a weak candlestick, right? There is a huge wick around here. It's showing you some selling pressure, and I could tell that today is going to be a red day. That's why I'm short biased on it. Looking at the 60-minute chart, we still didn't begin the move. We are having a consolidation and a huge selling wick right there. So I'm interested in playing this stock to the short side, and we could play to the short side either around 51.95, or which is at the breakout area, or we could play it closer to the resistance like we always do at 52.35. Now let's go to the 5-minute chart and the 1-minute chart, and let's play this stock. So market is opening and we are waiting for it to go to around 52.35 to be able or to play it to the short side. Instead, it just instantly breaks down. It breaks the breakout level that we are looking for. And where can you put your stop loss? You can put your stop loss at one of the two places. You could either put it at the high, 52.14 for example, or if you watch the breakout webinar that I made on BBT, I mentioned that after the breakout, all you need to do is use the middle of the range, in this case 52.05, and that's exactly what I used. At this stage, you could see that you're already up around 5 hours. What can you do? If you want, you can take some partials. Not 5 hours, this around 3 for now, 3-4 hours. Anyway, you could take a partial if you want. If not, you could hold on for longer, and when you have a setup, and that is a reverse ABCD pattern around here forming, or a continuation setup, you could just add on to your position closer to the breakout, right? And then continue holding for a potential bigger move. Uh, this is the way I executed the trade. I'm still in it. I didn't take any partials. Not sure how it's going to end up. My target is around the $51. um, if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. My email is ayman@beatabletraders.com. And you can follow me on Twitter at aymanbbt. I post my trades there, winners and losers, on daily basis, at least one of those. Have a great day, everyone. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.